Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. This is the most important weekly close that we will ever face on summer 2023. And I am pretty sure about what I'm saying. Why is that? Why is this going to happen? Eventually, we have some important support levels. The first support level sits at around 26.4k to 26.5, and the second one sits at around 26,000 Tether USD. This whole area right here is a very hugely important support level. It is the Bitcoin's bull cycle support levels. Okay, so I'm going to sit right here and you can see that we are having these two targets as major support levels. What is going to happen next? We need Bitcoin to close above into the weekly scale these two lines. It is very important and it will signal the next huge bullish or bearish movement for Bitcoin. As I've told multiple times, we have started our bull cycle. I'm very optimistic that Bitcoin is going to go pretty higher into the 32,000 actually to 33,000 Tether USD. Around this area, which lies the 0.5 Fibonacci. I'm pretty certain that Bitcoin can make it. You can see that in the daily frame, we are pretty much into a boredom, a deep boredom, at least for me. To be honest with you, I do not really like that we are having a huge sideways price action, not going above the 30,000, not going below the 26,000 Tether USD in the weekly frame. You can see that we are just going sideways into this wave. And yes, this is something that it is quite boring. It is similar to this price movement, although here we have the correction and then the reaccumulation phase. Now, as I've told multiple times, the most actually burst thing that could happen is a second retest to the 200-day moving average. Apart from that though, I believe that Bitcoin is ready to fly. And in 2 days from now, 2 to 3 days, we are going to have the weekly close. What do we need to do? Simply just stay above these two lines right here. Now, in the lower time frames, if you see BTC, you will realize that we are down from the 200-day moving average in the 4-hour frame. We are pretty much going sideways. We do not have any bullish or bearish indicator. What I mean by that is 24 in the 4-hour frame. The RSI is not below the 30s, it is not above the 70s. So we do not have any oversold, any overbought situation. You can see in the lower time frames as well, it is the same. We are just going sideways even in the 1-hour frame. Not going higher, not going lower. Staying where we are. And this is the most boring part right here, because eventually in the lower time frames, we do not have anything bullish or bearish. But at the same time, in the higher time frames, we are preparing for something massive. Is it going to be a correction? Is it going to be a reaccumulation phase? We have to see that, right? We have to see what Bitcoin is capable of. And you can see that we had a correction minus 5% and then a huge burst to the 5-6%, right? Crazy stuff for Bitcoin. I mean that into the crypto market right now, we are facing something that we need to see as an opportunity to just sit back and enjoy our lives. Do not trade so much right now, except for altcoins that might have some potential to go down or upwards a nice percentage. But at this time, many altcoins are just sitting right there where they are into a huge, deep boredom. I would suggest to wait. Very hugely important support levels. To my personal and humble opinion, I think that we are going to make it towards the 32 to 33,000. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, 7 days free trial on Patreon. Thank you and see you soon.